Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Liz. Today we are going to be cleaning and organizing my kitchen. This has needed to be done for a while. Actually, honestly, like, my kitchen needs to be cleaned. I don't have a whole lot of organizing to do. I do keep my kitchen pretty much in order like all the time because I'm weird about that. Like, I like my kitchen to be organized. I like to know where everything is, everything has a spot, etc. So I don't have a ton of organizing to do. I do need to clean though very badly, and I want to reorganize my spice cabinet. That's going to be like the main thing that I organize because that's probably the most disorganized. How many times can I say organized in this freaking intro? Today's video is going to be in collaboration with another YouTuber here. Their channel name is Following the Herds, and her name is Jill, and she posts lifestyle videos. She does vlogging as well as videos about her service dog in training, Seiko, and that is just the cutest little dog ever. Make sure you guys go check out her channel. She is also going to be doing a kitchen organization video as well. So let me flip you around and show you what we're working with today. So this is the status of my kitchen. It's not too bad right now, but I definitely want to, you can see there's like fingerprints on my cabinets. I want to wipe down my cabinets. I definitely want to like clean out my microwave, clean my stove nice and well, and just kind of all the basic stuff. And then my spice cabinet, it's honestly like, this looks pretty good, right? I have all these cute little mason jars with labels, but I want to do the same thing with these spices. So I want all of these spices to be in jars too. So that's my goal for today. I bought this pack of spice organizing jars or whatever from Amazon. I'll have it linked in my description box so you can get it if you want, but it just comes with these little jars, and here you can kind of see a size reference from my hand, so it fits in my hand. So they're a pretty good size. They're really cute. It also comes with a little funnel so you can easily transport spice into another one nice and easy. It also comes with these top little lids. Oops. These lids if you want to put these on as well to like just shake it in there. And then it comes with a ton of different spice labels. It has these ones, and then it also comes with these black ones. So you can kind of pick like which ones you like better or mix and match, whatever. Also came with this magnet of conversion charts, which I always am asking Alexa to convert measurements for me. So this is awesome, and it's a magnet, so it just sticks right on your fridge. How neat is that? So I'm loving this. I want to say I got this for like 20 bucks, and you get all of that stuff. You get 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 spice jars, so I feel like that's a really decent amount, plus all of those labels and stuff. So we are going to be taking that on today. Winnie says hi. Also have to give a shout out to my amazing husband who's deployed right now, and he still managed to send me roses for Valentine's Day. Look at these, you guys. He sent me 2 dozen gorgeous pink roses. Seriously, I felt so loved yesterday. I woke up sad like being alone on Valentine's Day, but these came to my door and I literally almost cried. So lucky to have a man like him. He seriously treats me so well, and he sent me this cute little note about how much he misses me. So it just makes me feel so loved and so warm and fuzzy inside. So good job, baby. I know you're not gonna watch this until you get home in a few months, but just had to tell you how much I love you. So we are just gonna go ahead and get started in the video. All right, so first thing first, I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of my spices out and put them on my cabinet, and then I'm gonna see what I'm working with, what I need to transfer into the new containers, and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I'm also going to check all of the expiration dates and just make sure that everything is still good and not expired. I haven't cleaned out my spices in a while, so I feel like I'm gonna have a few that are expired and need to be tossed. That's okay, it happens to the best of us. So, but yeah, like these literally just expired in 2019, 2019. So I'm gonna toss all these. See, like these were all expired in August 2019. So they're not like super expired, but literally look, they're all like stuck in like big clumps. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss all of these.
It's nothing left with you. The feeling's going through. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
So they have a pretty good variety of stickers on here. I feel like they also have a few blank ones, so you can also write your own if you need to. So I'm looking for onion powder. And you can really do it however you want. You can put it on the lid, you can put it on the side. I think, what do I like better? Kind of liking it right there, so I think that's where I'm going to put it. And there you go. So it just looks so much cuter than being in the package that it comes with. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all of my seasonings over, and then I'll show you my next step.
It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. Keep falling for you.
Okay, so now I have kind of all of these pretty much done. So look at how cute those are. They look so much better than they did before. But I still have a couple things that I want to put in jars, but they're gonna be too much for the little ones. For example, like my cocoa powder, these seasonings that are like really large. I still want them to go in a jar to look good. So I'm going to use these little mason jars. You can get these anywhere, Walmart, Target, Michael's. You can find them in a thrift store, really common there. But I'm just going to go ahead and fill my larger things up in these jars. So they still have the whole entire jar label vibe going on, but they're just gonna be a little bit bigger. I'm going to use the blank labels that they gave me. And then I already have this liquid chalk pen. It does not come with one, so keep that in mind. If you do get these, you're gonna have to get a chalk, some type of chalk or pen that will show up on this. So I'm going to do a cocoa one, and then I'm gonna do one for these guys, and pretty much just kind of go from there.
Keep falling for you.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using to organize all my spices. I picked this up at Home Goods. I love it, honestly, because it's 3 different levels. So, you know, you can see everything really nicely. So I'm going to be using that guy. I'm just basically going to place everything that I just did in there in a cute way. Super cute, nice and organized. I absolutely love it. Finished product. Have all of my new nice spice jars over there, extra spices, and then just kind of my extra random stuff, and then my oils up there. So super simple, and I think it made it look a lot better and a lot more neat. So loving it. All right, so now that that's organized, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up my kitchen a little bit, get it nice and clean, and then there's one other area that I wanna organize, and I will show you a really cool little organizer thing that helps me out a lot. Okay, so now I'm just using this Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleaner, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it all on the stove.
Do I keep feeling space? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you.
So another great tip for y'all is when it comes to cleaning off your counter. I know for me sometimes there's stuff that's caked on there and I have to like get my nail and scrub it. Well now, boom, this is gonna change your life. I will have it linked in my description box. It's from Amazon, very cheap. This is a little scraper. And basically all you do is if there's something like caked onto your counter, you just use this and you scrub it like that and it comes right up. It's amazing, it's gonna change your life. Try it, I swear you will not regret it. So literally all I do is clean my counters as usual. And then, you know, as you're drying, usually you can feel it. You can feel if something's like caked on to your countertop, and if it is, I just go around and I just scrape, 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 scrape. Next, using this Wyman stainless steel cleaner and polish, I'm gonna go around and I'm going to clean off all of my stainless steel appliances. I like to do my trash can too, stainless steel, and it does get pretty dirty. So don't neglect the trash can. I absolutely love stainless steel, even though you can see your fingerprints a lot of the time. When you clean it, it seriously looks so gorgeous. So as long as you're using the right cleaning product, you're gonna have no issues with streaking or anything like that. Another really great cleaning tip is, I know for me, sometimes food gets stuck in these little cracks and crevices and you can't really get into it. So what you can do is you can take a butter knife and all you do is put your paper towel or your cloth or whatever over it and then literally just slide it in and you can get all of that, all of those little cracks and crevices that have dirt and food crumbs in there, and it just picks it up so easily and so nicely. So there's another tip for you. So last but not least, I'm just gonna clean off my cabinets real quick. I'm just gonna use this Orange Glow wood furniture cleaner. So this smells really good. It makes everything nice and glossy, which I love. Okay, so I wanted to share just a few organizational things that I do in my kitchen that really work for me. One is having all of my kitchen towels neatly rolled. This really works out for me. I use dish towels all the time rather than just having them thrown in there. I take the time to roll them all up nice and neat and just have them in there. It makes you be able to fit a lot more and it looks a lot better to the eye. So I absolutely love doing that. Organizational tip that I have for you is to get one of these contraptions. I found mine at Home Goods and you can use this in several different ways. So you can basically just put like your pans in here and they kind of just sit like that, so you can just pull them out and it makes it really easy to get all your pans. Or you can organize all of your lids or whatever you want, but you basically just put it this direction and then everything is nice and organized. You can do this with Tupperware lids, you could do this with, honestly, pans probably would work too. So this just makes it so much easier to get out your pans, your lids from underneath your cabinets. I absolutely love this little organizational device. My last little organizational item that I absolutely love is this guy right here. And this basically allows you to have more vertical space, so I can put stuff on top of it, like I have all of my plates, and I can put stuff underneath it as well. So if I didn't have this here, I would be losing all of this bottom and top space, if that makes sense. So I absolutely love this. It extends however long you want it, or you can have it close, but I have two. So I have one right here, and then I have one up here, and I just sit all of my cups, and then I can also put stuff under it. So if you can find one of these, you guys should totally check it out. It definitely takes advantage of all of that space that you could be having, so you're not losing any space, and it just looks really good as well. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and got some good cleaning motivation, some good tips, some good tricks, some good little hacks I threw in there. So I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, don't forget to check out Following the Herd's YouTube channel. I have everything linked below, so you can go check her out and help support her as well. Make sure you tell her that I sent you in one of her comments. Also, don't forget to go follow me over on Instagram. I am LizzyPorter22. I will have it right here, so you can go follow me and I'll follow you back, so we can all hang out over on Instagram as well. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye!